Hi guys, thanks for purchasing LifeTime Kit. In this, you'll get a more detailed walkthrough demo for the LifeTime Kit website builder. With this help of the app, you can create stunning sites and start selling it. After login, the dashboard will look like this. In this, you can easily navigate to all features of this app. You are able to get your unique affiliate site URL to earn affiliate commissions for your sites. Other than this, you can check the total visitors, clicks, leads in the dashboard itself. When you click the settings option, you'll be able to see the lists of different options like general, author bio, affiliate ID, etc. Inside the general option, you will get the page to enter your site details such as site title, tagline, email address, and logo of your site. And the author info will allow you to add the details of the author, such as first name, last name, email ID, website, bio and profile picture. And then affiliate ID option will allow you to add 3 mostly usable affiliate links, such as JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. There's an option to add all your social media page links in it, like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And there's many more options available inside this app, such as custom script, leads generation and export, pages offers. And the important option called AI Writer, which will allow you to create a site based on the category and keyword without effort. Just enter the details such as category and things of it. The AI Writer will take care of everything for you. You can able to create opt-in forms, banners, bonuses, and widgets too for your sites. That's it for the detailed walkthrough demo for the website builder. If you have any doubts or queries other than these, feel free to contact our support team anytime. Thank you.